driving for a few hours and we turned a corner and saw this.
Really loves the ocean.
Good morning. We are sitting on the beach at Lincoln City. 6:20 in the morning. Luke just left for work. Thank you, we love you. So we showed up in Lincoln City and Luke had got us a hotel room to stay the night. We had ended up driving more like 8.5 hours. Probably a good idea. Slept like a rock. And now I'm just fucking connecting with this ocean. Let me give you a better view.
Oh, Neil.
We are just gonna meditate and be for a minute. 111. I don't even know where we're gonna end up today. We're gonna drive. I don't want to drive more than 5 hours. It doesn't really matter where we end up because we are being divinely guided. So wherever we end up is exactly where we're supposed to be.